Hey guys! In this video, we're going to look at the top 5 best knives for camping available on the market today. We made this list based on our own opinion research and customer reviews. We've considered the best knives for their quality features and values when narrowing down the best choices possible. If you want more information and updated pricing on the products mentioned, be sure to check the links in the description box below. And also make sure to subscribe for more reviews, okay? So let's get started with the video.
At number 1. Gerber Strongarm. In keeping with larger blades and beefier tasks, let's take a look at the Gerber Strongarm. This fixed blade brute looks like it's ready to cut a hole through a concrete block wall and keep on chugging. But is it the best hunting knife? While the knife is available in fine edge or serrated edge, I'd highly recommend sticking with fine edge. At the back of the pommel, the knife shows its utility with a glass breaking point. Obviously, this heavy-duty knife is meant to do work in all situations. I do really like the symmetry of the handle, but the overall knife design is hinting at a dagger styling. It shies away from that by instead profiling a subtle drop point with a nice long flat belly. This is actually a great design for bushcraft and survival as well as brute force tasks. Fortunately for hunters, they're just enough of a sweep to the front of the blade that it makes a fine skinning knife, though it's not going to be as good at that specific task as some. Check out the description for more information about this product and the latest price. At number 2. Buck Knives 119 Special Fixed Blade Knife. Okay, so it might not be cutting edge, forgive me. The Buck 119 Special is such a classic I couldn't leave it off the list. In fact, every hunter I know over the age of 40 has at least one of these in their gear bag. Everything about this knife is loud and prominent. In front of the handle, the bolster sticks down to protect the fingers. At the pommel is a large polished, steel or brass, cap. Just looking at the clipped 6 inches blade makes a statement. In the field, however, a properly sharpened buck knife is a steadfast companion. I've used them plenty of times and I can say they're great for heavy work. Delicate skinning or light-duty operation is where these knives struggle. Because of the size and weight of both the handle and blade, fine work is a challenge. However, chopping and hacking your way through bone or brush are both easy tasks with this brute. At number 3. Hala Mandra Fixed Blade Knife. Hala is a company I had a chance to get to know a few years ago when they put out the Les Stroud Temagami knife. Since then I've watched them make tons of great knives and I love the quality of these handmade high-quality knives. It's worth noting that this blade is the second Hala knife designed by Les Stroud, Survivorman. This short, heavily recurved blade is best suited for skinning and gutting work, though it won't back down from some heavy work. I personally really like that it's made to be carried in a genuine leather neck sheath. It's light and small enough to be out of the way until you need it. After all, most of us go out hunting dozens of times before we actually need to put the knife to work. This is the first knife on our list that is handmade. It's also crafted with a 3-layer laminated steel. All that means is that the blade edge itself is made from slightly better steel that will keep this knife sharp longer than some others. At number 4. Meyerco MSG 6241 BRK Guthook Skinner. You probably know Mossberg for their legendary shotguns, but you might not know they've got their name on this tiny little skinner. It's small, sharp, and trims the fat with nothing you won't need to get the job done. This knife can only really be described as a trailing point or skinner design. In the hand are 2 synthetic camo handle slabs attached to the full tang single-piece knife. A large circle is removed from the body of the knife, which can be used as a fingerhole or a thumb index for fine work. I personally love this shape for hunting work because I like to choke up on my knife and hold it partially by the spine and partially by the handle when skinning with long sweeping strokes. Thanks to the heavily curved design, this knife is perfect for that motion. At number 5. Gerber Moment Field Dress Kit. Gerber has long been one of my favorite knife makers. They seem to always produce just the right product at the right price, not too expensive, but not so cheap, that I have ever worried about a knife breaking. The Moment Field Dress Kit fits that bill. So there's more to this knife than it might seem. It's a full field dressing kit which includes the 3.6 main knife with a gut hook, a smaller camp knife which looks great for fine work, and a bone saw. For the price I think you'd have a really hard time finding a better deal that delivers all these goods. Each of the tools is full tang and both knives have positive front quillons that help add grip and prevent slips. On top of that, the synthetic handle slabs are highly textured to make sure you don't slip up. Check out the description for more information about this product and the latest price. Thank you for watching guys, I hope you like this video. If this video was helpful to you, please make sure a like, comment, and subscribe. If you have any questions related to this product, you can leave a comment down below. I will back to you as soon as possible.